Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class.
Hi kids, how are you? Before going to the topic, I will show you some warm-up exercises. Are you ready children? All of you sit straight. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, children. Yesterday you learned. What you learned yesterday? Shapes and their parts. Yes. Today I will teach you 2D shapes. Are you ready, children? A, B, C, D. See how many sides here? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. What are they? AB. AB is one side. BD. BD is another side. CD. CD is one more side. AC and AC is another side. How many sides here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. How many sides tell me? Square has 4 sides. It has 4 vertices. Four vertices. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C and D. How many vertices? 4 vertices. It has 2 diagonals. How many? 2 diagonals. See? A to D. A to D. One diagonal. B to C. One more diagonal. A to D. One diagonal. B to C. One diagonal. A to D and B to C. Yes, AD and BC is diagonal of square. Note this in the classwork, children. Now rectangle. A, B, C, D. See here, children, a rectangle. All sides are equal? No. See, opposite sides are equal. Opposite. These two are equal. These two are equal. Okay. See, these opposite sides are equal. How many sides here? Tell me. 4 sides. It has 4 sides. What are they? AB, BD, CD and AC. Yes? See? How many sides here? 4 sides. What are they? AB, BD, CD, AC. Okay? It has four vertices. Yes, it has four vertices. What are they? A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D. See, it has four vertices. It has two diagonals. How many? Two. What are they? AD is one diagonal, BC is another diagonal. Two diagonals. AD, BC. How many? Two diagonals. Okay, children. See, listen. See, it has four sides. Opposite sides are equal. Sides are equal. Yes, opposite sides are equal. It has four vertices. It has two diagonals. Okay, children. Copy in the classwork. Triangle. A, B, C. How many sides here? Tell me, children. See once. Triangle. 1, 2, 3. How many sides? 3 sides. It has 3 sides. How many sides? 3 sides. What are they? AB, AC, BC. What are they? AB, AC, BC. It has 3 vertices. How many vertices it has? 3 vertices. What are they? A, B, C. A, B, C. See, children, once again. I am saying again. It has 3 vertices. What are they? A, B, C. It has 3 vertices. It has 3 sides. It has any diagonal? Can make any diagonal in this? No. See? Triangle do not have any diagonals. Do not have any diagonals. Okay, children. Now next, circle. Circle. Circle has any side, children? No. No sides. Any vertices? Yeah, it has vertices because vertices means dots, points. It has any diagonal? No. See, a circle do not have any diagonals and sides. Understood, children? Should write in the classwork. What is this? Triangle. This is circle. These notes you should write in the classwork. Children, I will show you some shapes and their parts. Are you ready, children? See, what is the shape? Square. How many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. How many sides? 4 sides. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. How many diagonals you can make? 1, 2. Ear to ear 1, ear to ear 2. 2 diagonals. How many sides it has? 4 sides, 4 vertices, 2 diagonals. What is the shape of this? Rectangle. Rectangle. Rectangle has how many sides? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides? 4 sides. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. How many vertices? 4 vertices. How many diagonals you can make? 1 ear to ear 1, ear to ear 2. 2 diagonals you can make. See, rectangle has 4 sides, 4 vertices, 2 diagonals. Yes? See, what is this shape? Tell me, children. Triangle. Triangle. How many sides it has? 1, 2, 3 sides. How many? 3 sides. How many vertices here has? 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices. Yes? Any diagonals is there? No diagonals. Okay? Circle. Circle has any sides? No sides. Any diagonals? No diagonals. Okay? Thank you, children. Children, I will read the questions. You should write the answers. Okay? Fill in the blanks. A triangle has dash diagonals. A circle has dash vertices. A square and a rectangle have dash vertices. Very short answer questions. What is the unique features of a square? How many vertices does a triangle have? How many diagonals does a circle have? Short answer questions. Complete the following table. The given shapes. You should write vertices and diagonals. Okay, children. Page number 2. This is workbook. Okay. This is workbook. You should fill this. Today homework. Children, open textbook, page number 8. Find the numbers of vertices and diagonals of the following shapes. What you have to find? Vertices and diagonals. Okay, find the number of vertices and diagonals of the following shapes. Okay, children, find and write in this book. Today's homework, children. Do the page number 8 in textbook. Do the page number 2 in workbook. Okay, bye. We will meet again next class.